Let's get you up to speed with that earthquake of magnitude 6.8 that hit Sikkim, about 64 kilometers northwest of Gangtok. There was a aftershock which the United States Geological Survey is reporting of 4.8, about half an hour after the first strong tremor hit Sikkim. The epicenter is there, but the tremors were felt as far away as Delhi, Patna, Kolkata, Lucknow, Thimphu, as well as Kathmandu. Some reports coming in from Gangtok of complete darkness. Initially, phones were jammed because of the rush of people trying to call each other up, but it's still in total darkness. Many buildings have developed cracks and small army columns have been mobilized. There are reports of major damage to a couple of buildings reported in North Bengal. Also felt those tremors, with all people out on the streets. Kashish joins us from the capital for more on that. Kashish, the tremors felt as far away as Delhi.
That's correct, Amitabh. In fact, just in Greater Kailash itself, I've got two ladies with me who actually felt the tremors. Ma'am, आपको किस समय अपने भूकंप का महसूस हुआ आपको?
I suppose half an hour ago, I felt a kind of jerk, and I really was very much scared. Then I just asked my girl that there is a kind of this jerk in the building. So she said she haven't felt it, but that was very much.
तो आपका पहला reaction क्या था?
I was just so much scared. I thought let me go outside, but when I asked these guys, they said there's no jerk. So I thought it might be my
गलती हो सकती है. बट पिछले अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही एक सोनेपत में काफी अर्थक्वेक हुआ था जो इससे कम था, मगर उसका ट्रेमर्स दिल्ली में ज्यादा था क्योंकि वो 30 किलोमीटर था यहाँ से. तो एक तरह से दिल्ली में काफी अर्थक्वेक आते रहते हैं. आपको पता है कि अर्थक्वेक आता है तो क्या करना क्या चाहिए?
Yeah, that we know. Government is making aware of people to get themselves safe. So we know what all to have to be done. We can go outside. We can stand when we are inside the building. We can stand near the walls. So these primary things we know what to be taken care.
मैम, आपको अगर अर्थक्वेक आता है आप जानती हैं कि क्या करना चाहिए उसके बाद में?
नहीं, वो तो मुझे मालूम है कि क्या करना चाहिए. आप अपने घर में हैं तो एटलीस्ट बाहर आ जाओ सब, और बाकी किसी दीवार के सारे. मुझे इतना ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है, लेकिन जो सुनते हैं वही मैं बताती हूँ. लेकिन मुझे इस टाइम नहीं लगा इतना. वो तो मैम ने बोला कि नहीं कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है, तो मैंने कहा नहीं आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं होगी. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा नहीं था, लेकिन इनको देख करके मुझे लगा. बाद में फिर मैंने नीचे सबसे पूछा तो उन्होंने बताया नहीं ये था कुछ. फिर मैंने इनको बताया कि नहीं ऐसा कुछ आया था, आपने ठीक बोला था. बस.
Well, of course, part of the reason, Amitabh, is also because the earthquake we felt a few days ago was actually just 30 kilometers from here, which was lesser on the Richter scale, but the tremors, of course, were a lot more shocking in Delhi. This one, of course, higher on the Richter scale, but much, much far away. But, I've got Amrita with me, and she actually didn't feel the tremors, but her family in Kolkata has seen some of the damage.
I just called up my dad and I asked him, did you feel the tremor or not? He said yes, they did feel the tremor. He was in fact outside, and there have been cracks in the building and trees have fallen. So it was like, felt, the tremor was felt big time in Calcutta.